This is a quick video to show you how to use switch-on literacy for different individuals. It's a good idea to import a separate switch-on literacy collection for each individual. In another video, I showed you how to add profile and then import profile from disk. Go to your computer, find the downloaded file for switch-on literacy, click Open, and then Import. Once the extra copy of Switch-On Literacy appears in the main menu, you can customize it for a particular individual. Click Customize Profile. Click on the one you want to change. You can select a picture from one of the ones supplied with MindExpress or upload a picture from your hard drive where you have your own pictures. And pick one. And this is BJ, so I'm going to change the name to BJ. This is his profile, and then I'll save it. Now you see he has a profile on the main screen. When we open it, it will be all of the files in Switch-On Literacy. The first thing you may want to do is read the directions, and the next thing is create a launcher. I'll click on the launcher folder here and show you that there are two templates to choose from. You can have a simple launcher or one with multiple pages that branch between different activities. I'll start with a simple launcher, and you'll see the template comes up. All templates in Switch-On Literacy have this yellow button to click to create the activity from. Once you click this yellow button, these directions will disappear and go to the end of the file. So if you want to take a quick picture with your phone, it might be a good way to remember the directions. Once I click here, it allows me to rename it. So I'm going to call this BJ Launcher. So it's his launcher, and I'm going to make it a different color. So I'll make it red. Okay, then I can, if I want, upload his picture again. We can make it any way we want. Say OK. And now here's his launcher. Now where is that on the portal? If I go back to Menu, Portal, and back to the home screen by clicking the little home, if I go to the next page and then the last page, you'll see that it's put it at the end. I want the launcher to be first, so I'm going to go to Menu, Organize, and then I'm going to drag his file or his launcher file back to the first position. And then I'll say OK. To customize his launcher, we open it, and there are some example activities that are already here. I'll go to the menu, Edit, so that I can look at what's here under the hood. The first spot I've left for a connection to the child's communication pages if they have an auditory or auditory plus visual scanning page set in MindExpress. You can connect it here. Right now, the collection comes with this hidden. Anything that has a red X will not show up when the child is using it. Then I will show you how each of these buttons links to a different activity. So for example, this one links to make three-letter words. It has a label, it has an image, and then it has one action where it goes to that activity. If I don't want to keep that one there, I can just simply go to Properties and unclick Visible, and it would hide that one too. So I can go and decide which of these I'd like this individual to try, and if there's one I don't want, I just simply click it and make it invisible. This will give you a launcher that you can use. If I go to Menu, Save, Menu, Done Edit, now I have a launcher set up for this individual. These are all generic activities at this point, but it gives you some place to get started. You will want to customize activities so that you can create the ones that would be most interesting, motivating to that individual, and also relevant to what they might be learning. One more trick is you can organize this page by moving things around. I'm going to go to Menu, Edit, and you see I could just drag a button on top of another one. It changes how things are ordered on the screen. The only thing you'll also have to do is you'll need to change the scan order. These numbers here represent which one's going to scan first. So if I left it like this, it won't scan the first one because it's hidden, but it'll go here, and then it'll go to 3 down here, and then 4. But we want it to go down the column and then the next column. So this one should be 1. We'll leave it. It won't matter. We leave it as 1. This one will now need to be 2. So I'll go over to here. I'm going to close the properties, and I go to Scanning and Dwelling. I go down, and I have the option of changing the scan group. I will make it scan group number 2. This one stays 3. And now this one will be turned into scan group 4. As long as they're in the correct order, they'll scan down the columns. So this one needs to be number 5. This one 6, and this one needs to be number 7. Just changing the numbers means that'll scan in that order. Then I'll go to Menu, Save, Menu, Done, Edit, and now it should scan correctly.
Dress up book, alphabet book, make 3-letter
And
words.
if you select it, it will open that activity. In whatever activity that's open, it'll be set to go back to the previous document, which in this case was the launcher for that child. And then the child would be able to pick something else. In another video, I'll show you how to take a customized activity and connect it to this launcher.